Okay. Next one, read the following paragraph and answer the question that follows. Michael J. Fox. Michael J. Fox is most well known for his role in the Back to the Future movies, but Michael doesn't believe that is the most important thing about his life. In 1991, Michael was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. He didn't share his illness with his fans until 1988 when he started trying to raise money for research to cure Parkinson's disease. In 2000, he formed a foundation called the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson Research. Today, his organization is the largest organization trying to find a cure for the disease. Michael devotes his time to helping other people deal with their disease and finding a cure. Despite his disease, Michael continues to act and he also writes books. One of his books is called A Funny Thing Happened on the Way to the Future. How can the reader identify this selection as a biography instead of an autobiography? Okay, so how can the reader identify this selection as a biography instead of an autobiography? Okay, a biography is whenever someone writes a story about a famous person about their life. That's what a biography is. Okay, so let's say Miss Hunter is a writer, and I'm going to write a story about LeBron James and his life. That would be a biography. But an autobiography is whenever the famous person writes the story about themselves. So if it was an autobiography, that means that LeBron James is writing the story about LeBron James. Okay, so how do we know that this is a biography? Well, in here, it calls him by his name, Michael J. Fox, his role, okay, which remember that's first and third person. First person, if it's first person, it's a character in the story. If it's third person, it's someone outside of the story. This sounds like third person, right? It's talking about him. It's saying his illness. He didn't share it, his organization, okay? So a biography is told from third person point of view, but an autobiography is told in first person. Ooh, that one sounds pretty good. A biography is nonfiction, but an autobiography is not. No, they're both nonfiction. C, a biography is told from a first person point of view, but an autobiography is told from another person. No, remember, if it's the biography, it's told in third person. If it's a biography, it's going to say he, his, them, they. Okay. If it's an autobiography, it's going to say I, me, my. Okay. So it's not C. D says a biography can either be true or fiction, yet an autobiography is always fiction. Nope. They're both always nonfiction. So my correct answer is A.